In a large bowl, whisk together oat flour, coconut flour, and sea salt. Set the dry ingredients aside. In the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment, combine melted coconut oil, maple syrup, and vanilla extract. In 3 equal additions, slowly add the dry ingredients to the coconut oil mixture, blending well after each addition until no dry ingredients are visible. Let the dough sit, stirring once or twice for 5 minutes to thicken. The dough will be soft and slightly spongy. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and chill for 30 minutes to 1 hour. In the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with the whisk attachment, beat aquafaba on medium speed for 3 minutes or until foamy and frothy. Beat in the vanilla extract. Add powdered sugar and beat on low to incorporate it into the wet ingredients. Turn the mixer on high and beat for 5 to 7 minutes or until stiff peaks hold. Cut the dough into 2 equally sized pieces and knead each piece to slightly warm it. Working with 1 piece of dough at a time, use a rolling pin to roll the dough out on a surface dusted with oat flour until it is a 1/4 inch thick oval. Use cookie cutters to punch out cookies. Carefully transfer the cookies to parchment-lined baking sheets and bake the cookies at 350 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes or until the edges begin to turn golden. Fit a piping bag with a tiny tip and fill the bag with the royal icing. Frost each cookie by piping a line around the edges and then fill in with icing inside the line. Use a toothpick to evenly spread the icing if needed. Decorate the cookies with sprinkles while the icing is still wet. Allow the icing to dry for 1 hour or until it is set. Serve right away or store cookies for up to 1 week.